Hey all, have you thought about investing in multifamily properties but just don't know where to start? Well, we put together for you is a free investor starter kit. It's a starter kit that will give you the components and the information that you need to kick off your multifamily investment career. Here's what we put together for you that I think will change your life. We put together, first of all, multifamily finance terms. Now, honestly, been in the business for decades, and if you don't know how to speak to sellers, lenders, brokers, if you don't have the right words or the right vernacular of the industry down, they're never going to take you seriously. So you need this piece of information from us. In addition to that, you need to learn how to optimize a capital stack. So you need to learn how to minimize risk and create and maximize returns. And this is what we've done in this capital stack fundamentals booklet that we've put together for you. We'll send that out to you as well right away. And further, the way to do it is to syndicate deals. You're going to syndicate a deal because you don't have all the capital to do it and you want to work with other people's money. So we put together a multifamily syndication structure for you that you can take a look at and read and learn and understand. DM us the word KIT. We'll send it out to you right away. Love to have an opportunity to teach you how to finance and acquire multifamily properties. And remember, it's all in the numbers.